Morning everyone. It's been a while since I've done this, probably a good month or so, but long story short, just been doing some jobs and getting some things set up, but I'm back now, and today it's currently 6:51, as you may be able to see on the clock, and we are heading off to Chelmsford way, I think it is. I'm just going to go up to Rob's, my mate Rob's, and Phil's coming. He had a little bit of an accident, shall we say, and well, he said he reversed into a concrete pillar, and he's put a nice big dent in his car, so we're going to go and get a new door for him. So I'll roll that intro, and I'm going to drive to Rob's, and I'll pick you back up there. Here we are. This could be interesting. I've never vlogged in front of these two, so it will be quite funny for them to see it. Here he comes. Rob's coming to the door, assuming with a big cameraman. Ladies, this is Rob Bryant. The age range is 60 to 100. His number is 678 999 8212. Now, as per, we're waiting for Felipe, who's late, and it's for him that we're going to get the door. 7:15, still waiting for him. He said he was less than 5 minutes away, over 5 minutes ago. Typical Phil. Nice car. Got a nice little Mustang. That's a nice dent. I'm joking. This field has got the dent. He should be here in a minute. We hope. And just as we say that, he comes around the corner. Here he is. Here's his nice dent. He's got his remote to get in and out.
What?
No door card.
Oh. Yet.
This is Phil.
Ooh.
Well, so where are we going? Chelmsford way.
Chelmsford
Chelmsford
way.
way. It is Chelmsford way.
Good morning. Good morning. Happy Saturday morning.
Yeah. We look to black on black.
Black on black.
Black on black.
Black. No, I'm triple
Yeah.
black, mate. Yeah. Actually, no, I'm quadruple black.
Well, I'm triple.
Yeah, you're triple.
For sure.
Yeah, I'm not.
He's happy as always. It's a microphone. It's alright. I like this little thing.
Do you know what it looks like? It looks like the balls that girls put on bags. You know the furry balls that you see on all the girls' bags. Little like.
No.
It does. It looks like a furry ball.
Yeah, have fun today, guys. I'll see you later. Yeah.
Oh, sorry,
It looks like a bobbin on top of a hat.
No.
Yeah, it does.
No.
I've no idea what he's on about there.
You'll know exactly what I'm talking about.
Well, no, he's going to show us now. And then 4 hours later.
And this is Ed Mel, you know, he fucked up. Oh no, that's balls.
Oh no, it's come up with
no,
not the fluffy balls.
No, I put footballs, not fur balls. So I put foot, but not foot, as in I put F-U-T in it.
It's an early Saturday morning.
It's too early for this shit. Look, see? They put them in the bags.
Like key rings and
yeah,
stuff.
that's exactly what it looks like.
Like
Come
these
on.
things.
Look, that's what it looks like. Doesn't it?
I mean, it does.
Makes sense now. Makes sense now. But let's go. I need coffee. I need coffee.
No, never
Let's go get a Starbucks. Shotgun. Well, we've made it to the breakers. Doesn't look like it's going too successful by the look on Phil's face. He's just trying to send him the confirmation code to get the door. Rob's now dismantling the bits that we're going to need on the new door.
Right, you jump out, I'm going to reverse the car back there and then you have a look at the door, see if you need anything else or whatever.
Is it going alright?
Yeah,
Is
it's
it all
fine.
sorted,
I
yeah?
said you can take the door, and he said, oh yeah, you can fit it now. So.
Okay, perfect. Well, there we go. Result then. It didn't look like it was going to be too successful, but apparently all is good. So, you're not happy, are you, Rob?
I'm never happy. This is a happy face.
This is a happy Rob. Oh, Phil's reversing. Watch out, everyone. There's pillars.
Pillar, pillar, pillar!
So, apparently this was due to a pillar. The wing mirror was smashed as well.
Like that.
But hey ho. Right, let's let the guy fit it and we'll get back to it. This guy can't see concrete pillars next to him in the car park.
Mate, at least this is an eventful day.
Eventful? I mean, it's miserable.
Horrible day.
Anyway, time to get the new door fitted. All sorted. Got the new door on now. Where's his old door?
There you go.
Thank you so much, really appreciate it, thank you.
Thanks very much. Have a good one. Now we need to go. Coffee again? In you get, bitch.
Sucker.
That's it. In you get. To the back, boy. Oh look, we're back and we've got to fix Phil's door again. Because Rob put the speaker on the wrong way around.
Why didn't you fucking helping?
Did Rob do it or did the guy do it?
Nah, Rob put the speaker in. But at least he's got a nice fresh white door now. No dents.
No dents.
Not for crashing into a car.
Fucking pillar.
Yeah, they jump out those pillars, don't they?
Honestly, it did.
So when you're getting your new shirts out,
He
Rob?
done it quick, he done it the other way, mate. From the other, okay, he did.
When you're getting your new shirts out, Rob?
He's always got something to say in evil.
Oh, he's not happy, is he?
It's because you've always got something to say.
He's upset, Rob.
You just never just leave him alone.
Rob, come back.
Fuck off.
Tell you what, I think that 7-bone last night was so nice, man.
Oh, I do love a good 7-bone, me.
Go again tonight, shall we?
Yeah, looks like we're going back to 7-bone then.
You can't, you'll be under the thumb later.
Huh?
Huh?
No, I'm going for a walk with the missus.
Oh, he's getting violent now.
No,
He's not happy, is he? Did you bang your
Yeah,
head on
but
him?
that's what he does, isn't
Did
it?
you bang your head in the back of the car, Rob?
No, he didn't get a reply from the 67-year-old.
Yeah, have you had any more 67-year-olds, Rob? Tap, tap, tap.
Tap, tap, tap.
Right, I think we're just going to end this one here. He's still going.
To be fair, that's what they speak like.
The thing is, Rob, you sent me the picture and said kill me because a 67-year-old from what was it? What's the app?
Okay, fucking deleted that.
What did you call it? Cupid something.
No, it was called.
Okay, Cupid.
No, it was called Single OAPs.
Single OAPs.
Technically, compared to your fucking missus, you are a fucking OOP.
Yeah, I know.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, that's true. He's done you there, Phil. He's done you there.
Yeah, one day she'll see light at the end of the fucking tunnel.
I thought it was 22. What? You just said she's 21.
How old is she? Should we phone her up and check? She don't fucking know.
22 going to be 23.
22 is going to be 23. And how old are you, Phil?
I'm 28.
You're 28. Plus 5.
Plus 36.
Oh dear. Anyway, we're ending it here. Peace.